Hello everyone, welcome to GK Babaji YouTube channel. In this video, we have covered an important topic of general awareness. This topic is famous temples in India. As you would be aware that in most of the competitive exams, at least one or two questions are based on this topic. Thus, I strongly recommend that you watch this video attentively in order to secure those precious marks. Now friends, before we move on to the important questions and answers related to famous temples in India, I would like to give you an idea of the types of questions that can be expected from this topic. Type 1. These would be pretty straightforward questions where you will be asked that XYZ temple is located in which state. Type 2. It would be the exact inverse of type 1 where you will be asked that which temple is located in XYZ state. Type 3. Here you will have to say that which pair of temple or state is correct or incorrect. And finally type 4, which would be slightly of advanced nature. It would be a match the following type of question where you will have to match a list of temples versus the list of state. So friends, I hope now it is clear that what types of questions can be expected from this topic. So now let's move on to the important questions and answers related to famous temples in India. Question 1. Venkateswara temple, that is the Tirupati temple, is located in which state? Here are the options. The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Question 2. Which of the following temple is located in Assam? Here are the options. The correct answer is Kamakhya temple. Question 3. Which of the following pairs of temple and state is correct? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is Mahabodhi temple in Bihar. Question 4. Lotus temple is located in. Here are the options. The correct answer is Delhi. Next question. Which of the following temple is located in Gujarat? Here are the options. The correct answer is C. Both A and B, that is Somnath temple as well as Dwarkadish temple, which is known as the Jagat Mandir temple. Both these temples are located in Gujarat. Question 6. Which of the following pair of temple and district of Jammu and Kashmir is correct? Here are the options. The correct answer is Amarnath temple. It is located in Anantnag district. Question 7. Gomteshwara temple is located in which state? The correct answer is Karnataka. Question 8. Which of the following temple is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala? The answer is Padmanabha Swami temple. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following pair of temple and district of Madhya Pradesh is correct? The correct answer is Mahakaleshwar temple in Ujjain. Question 10. Trimbakeshwar temple is located in which district of Maharashtra? The answer is Nashik. Question 11. Which of the following temple is located in Odisha? The answer is all of the above. That is Konark Sun temple, Brahmeswara temple and Lingaraja temple. All these three temples are located in the state of Odisha. Question 12. Which of the following pair of temple and district of Punjab is correct? The answer is Sri Harmandir Sahib Golden Temple, which is located in Amritsar. Question 13. Brihadiswara temple is located in which state? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Question 14. Which of the following temple is located in Telangana? The answer is Gnana Saraswati temple. Question 15. Which of the following pair of temple and state is correct? Here are the options. The correct answer is all of the above. Yamunotri temple, Dhari Devi temple and Kedarnath temple. All these three temples are located in Uttarakhand. Question 16. Kashi Vishwanath temple is located in which district of Uttar Pradesh? The correct answer is Varanasi. So that's it, friends. As I mentioned earlier that this is a very important topic of general awareness. Thus, we have provided a full list of famous temples of India in PDF format. The link to download the PDF has been given in the description box. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. You may even share it with your friends who are preparing for competitive exams. Please subscribe to our channel GK Babaji. Thank you. Have a good day.